Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Stripe app from iPhone and disable webhooks, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Stripe app on your iPhone home screen. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options. Then, tap Delete App to confirm the deletion. This will uninstall the Stripe app from your iPhone. Next, open a web browser on your iPhone or any other device. Navigate to the Stripe dashboard by entering the website URL. Log in using your Stripe account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Developers section in the dashboard menu. Click on Webhooks to view your existing webhooks. Identify the webhook you want to disable. Click on the specific webhook to access its settings. In the settings, look for the option to disable the webhook. Toggle the switch or click the Disable button to turn it off. Confirm the action if prompted. Repeat this process for any additional webhooks you wish to disable. Once you're done, you can log out of your Stripe account. Your Stripe app is now uninstalled, and the webhooks have been disabled successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.